This is a GCS News Break.
Today we are having the Signature Career Academy Industry in the Classroom Showcase, where we are highlighting our 5 Signature Career Academies, and we have students engaging our business and industry partners as well as parents and community members about everything that's going on at each Signature Career Academy. They can go up to each station and participate in each activity where they are learning and describing each industry skill that they have learned, whether it is how to care for patients, taking their vital signs, compounding, creating creams, operating robots, coding, or hacking or preventing password-protected devices or programs. They can also learn how to fly drones and understanding delivery processes as well. We have the Academy at Smith, which is our healthcare academy. We have Smith High School, that is Advanced Manufacturing Engineering, and we have ABCO here to interview those students. We have the academies at Northeast Guilford High School and the Kearns Academy, and we have MSI, who is here to interview those students for information technology positions. We have Western Guilford High School, who is our logistics and drone academy, and we have SweetWorks here to interview our drone students for any type of drone internship opportunities.
So far, I've been able to work with bacteria, and so we also have another one where we can do like tests. So we're testing people like the BPM. We're dealing with toxins and testing to figure out and identify which one it is. And we're also doing that with our bacteria. We're growing the bacteria using the ASPIC technique. And so it helps us be able to learn like hands-on and actually do it ourselves instead of actually just looking at it and reading about it. So it's more informational for us.
We've been presenting our robotics team, demonstrating how our process to get our robots working for our competitions. It's a good opportunity to meet employers, companies, other schools. You can share on what you do and you can learn from others, learn what they can do, and you can teach others what you've been taught or what you've just learned on your own.
Being able to actually touch it and do it helps me know if I would like it, doing it every day and like doing it consistently. It will help me figure out whether it's something that will benefit me or something I'll be interested in.
This has been a GCS News Break.